Our star product, sandwich panel roll-forming machine, can produce EPS and rockwool sandwich panels. At present, the production technology is in the leading level of our country. The main machine frame is processed by our unique 12-meter large CNC milling machine with accuracy error of only 0.05 millimeters. The self-inserting shafts are increased to 12 rows. The double motor and the glue pump can automatically mix 2 kinds of glue dosage better than single motor. The conveyor belt is lengthened to 5.9 meters. The program is independently developed by our own engineer. My engineer is installation and testing the machine. In recent years, the Z-Lock sandwich panel roll-forming machine is more and more popular. The insulation performance of its product is 20% higher than ordinary ones.